Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to charging any devices that I have, it could be my Chromebook or it could be any other device. This is where this TECKNET 65 watt power brick comes into place. And some of the few things that is best from this power brick is how compact and easy it is to travel around with. Sometimes we may think higher amount of watts, higher amount of power, then you may need a huge brick that it will be a hard situation for you to fit in your backpack. But this is not the case. This is a really small brick that you can pretty much place anywhere. And it's not only just one port, it's actually two power deliveries of Type C to Type C port and one USB-A port you can use to pretty much charge anything. So fast, easy to travel with, and a good amount of ports for you to charge different amount of devices. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.